Hello YouTube, it is Edgar and I'm back again with another video. I'm back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to do a quarantine glow up video because let's face it, I am in desperate need of a glow up. Glow ups are like my favorite videos to watch. They're so satisfying. And it's quarantine, so I basically just spent at home looking like a slob almost every day. So without further ado, let's get into the video. What am I gonna do in this video, you ask? I'm gonna do a lot of stuff. I'm gonna perm my eyelashes. I'm gonna tint my eyelashes. I'm going to use a whitening strip on my teeth. I'm gonna do face mask. I'm gonna tone my hair. I'm gonna put a mask on my hair. Yeah, we're gonna do it all. So let's just get started because there's gonna be a lot of stuff. Oh, I'm also gonna do my nails, I guess, because they're not looking too good. So yeah, let's just get started. All right, hello, my dear. For my eyelashes, I got this from Amazon. It's a lash perming kit. And I also got this, and it is a tinting kit. So let's just open them up. I'm honestly scared because I think this stuff can like make you go blind. All right, let's see what comes in this. Direct, choose the right size of lift pads for your eye. So there's this little lift pads thingy. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna use this size. It's the medium one. Okay, so we're gonna use this. I'm also gonna laminate my brow. I'm so excited, oh my God, okay. Oh, you know what you're supposed to do first? Curl your eyelash first so that it's much easier. All right, I think I got it on. All right, let's do this. Keep your eye closed. Okay, using my fingers like a lot better. All right, it's all on there. I'll be back. Right now I am on the struggle bus because I didn't know that if you touch the ends of your lashes with a perming solution, it makes them unstick. I don't know if that means I have to start all over again or not, but I'm just trying to get them to stick. All right, let's try to put the fixation stuff on it, and this time not touch the end of the lash. All right, I'm gonna wait for 12 more minutes. All right, I'm cleaning. I look crazy. I'm cleaning it off with this little oil now, and then I'm gonna use the other cleanser. And let's clean it. I feel like they're not gonna be curled at all. Is it clean? No. Why was I making that face? I can't take it. Oh. They're actually curled. Okay. Oh no. No, who's in there? I glued my eyelashes to this. What? Okay, I am shocked because I think this actually worked and my eyelash looks amazing. Wow, I think it actually worked really well. They're definitely more curly. I'm so impressed. Just wait till I tint them. All right, guys, I'm about to take this eyelash off, this eyelash perm off. So let's just start cleaning it off. I feel like this eye didn't curl as well. Okay, this eye definitely did not curl as well as the other eye, so I guess I'm gonna redo it. Okay, so it didn't work the first time. So I did it again. And hopefully it works this time. We'll see. But I am also doing my eyebrows, which is why they look like this, which actually I think looks pretty freaking cool. So I'm gonna put the perming solution on my eyebrows now. Oh yes. This really is not a tutorial. This is just a glow up video. Do not expect this to be a tutorial because I will not explain what I'm doing because I'm not good at it. But what I do know is that you have to put plastic wrap on them. So let's see. I look great, don't I? Okay, I'll check back when 12 minutes is up. All right, let's tint them now. So I'm gonna take one of these packets and put it into here. All right, it's in there. And now you gotta mix the same amount of developer. Mix it together. And then I think you just put it on your lashes. But kind of just looks like I have like really thick mascara on. Oh my god, if this like just looks like that all the time, I'm gonna love it. I'm never gonna need to wear mascara again. All right, I put this much on. I'm gonna leave it on for 15 minutes and then I'm gonna take it off. All right, I just washed my face and I feel like my lashes look pretty good actually. They look much darker. I got some on my eye right here, but they look really dark. My eyebrows are crazy right now. Gotta brush them out or something, but I'm gonna do my hair now. So for my hair, I am putting the Finola Fiber Fix Bond Connector. I think that's what it's called. It's a really, really good hair mask for lightened hair or chemically treated hair. I'm just getting my hair wet and really just lathering all of my hair in that and letting it sit. And while that is on my hair, I'm also going to be putting the Finola No Yellow Purple shampoo on my hair and letting it sit in so they both just soak into my hair. The purple shampoo is going to get out any brassy tones. So yeah. All right, I'm going to sit in my hair for like, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes and then I'll be back. My eyebrows are like kind of crazy, but my lashes though, look at that. This side's not as good. My lashes look so good. My brows are insane though. After I let the hair mask and the purple shampoo sit in my hair for 15 minutes, I took a shower, washed my hair, and now I'm just going to exfoliate my face with my spin brush and wash my face and then apply, what are they? The like crest whitening strips on my teeth. I think they damaged your enamel, but I have some and I guess I'm gonna use them because my teeth are way too coffee stained because I drink way too much black coffee. Oh my god, it's got Hello Kitty on it. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna use that and then I'm also going to be applying a face mask. I also wanted to say that as much as I love these glow up videos and I myself do glow up videos, guys, it's a lot about glowing up on the inside. Like if you are not happy in your mental state, you are not going to look fantastic or feel fantastic or, you know, look amazing, whatever. You know, it's as much as you glow up, you're not going to actually glow up. So I urge you to glow up on the inside just as much. You know what? Actually, no. Glow up on the inside more than you glow up on the outside. Do some self-help book reading. Read some James Allen. That's my favorite. Do your meditation. Clean your room. Clean your space. You know, work out. Go for a walk outside that makes you feel good. Eat food that makes you feel good. And be kind to yourself first before you do all this stuff. It's not just about what you look on the outside. I know that sounds really corny and cheesy and whatever, but of course, all of these things come before glowing up on the outside. This is just a fun little extra activity that I do on the side. All right, thanks for listening to my TED Talks. Why does my hair look curly? Okay, so after I, what did I do? Oh, after I took my face mask off, oh my gosh. after I took my face mask off, I got this new product, and it is the John Frieda Frizz-Ease 3-day straight hair straightening spray or something like that, because my hair is straight, but in the humidity it just gets really frizzy. I have lots of flyaways. So yeah, I was looking for a product that would fix that. So I tried it for the first time today, sprayed it all over my hair, and then I dried my hair just like what the instructions said. Well, hello there. In this very, very flattering clip angle, you're going to see me apply the Etude House brow tint that I made a whole entire video on. So yep, I'm just putting that on my brows. I think I let it sit for like an hour, and then you just peel it off, which I did not record. But yeah, just putting that on my brows. And look at that, magically, it is the next morning. I am doing my nails. I'm watching an Elle Darby, is that her name? Elle Darby holiday vlog. And I'm very jealous of her because she went on this amazing vacation. And I was thinking how much I want to go on vacation, but I can't because the US is banned from a lot of countries and I'm still in quarantine. And yeah, anyway, I'm painting my nails pink with my shellac nail light, and that's what I'm doing. It's great. Good morning, YouTube. It is the next day after the majority of my glow up. As you just saw, I just finished doing my nails. Yesterday I tinted my lashes, I permed my lashes, I did my eyebrows, I tinted my eyebrows, I whitened my teeth, I did a face mask, I toned my hair. So most of it was yesterday, and now today I'm just gonna get myself all put together. So basically, if you can see my eyelashes and my brows got a little bit crazy. The lamination didn't work that well, I feel like, but I'm really, really proud of my lashes. I feel like it looks like I have mascara on, even though I don't have any mascara on, which, catch me never putting mascara on again. I love it. Yeah, so first off, what I'm gonna do is trim these little eyebrows right here because they're a little bit crazy. All right, I just tweezed my brows and I combed them through and I trimmed them a little bit, and honestly, like, it's really bright, but I feel like this one especially, can you see that? Take a close-up video on my phone so you can see my brows look fabulous, and my lashes also look fabulous. Like, I feel like they look so good. Like, no makeup, this is just what my brows look like. I'm crazy for them. I think they look great. So anyway, just for laughs and giggles and grins and games, and because I have a few lovely pimples that have popped up today, I'm going to do a little bit of makeup, moisturize. Let's use the Curology one, not sponsored, but God, do I wish I was. And we're just gonna do the regular light coverage. Try to keep it as natural as possible. In all honesty though, I feel like I look a lot different without makeup now compared to before. I always say light coverage and then I do this. It's okay, we'll blend it out. I'm honestly shocked at my lashes and brows though. Like, I want to do this forever and ever and ever and ever and ever. Always, always, always. Blending, blending, blending. I just saw a guy walk outside with a cowboy hat on. You're a sunflower. I think you love a bit too much. Just dab it in, guys, dab it. I feel like I just look straight up like a ghost now. A ghost that still has under eye circles. Ooh, the bold brow look though. I'm gonna use this cute blush that my boyfriend gave me. It's super soft and I absolutely adore it. Oh, who is in a pineapple under the sea? absorbent and yellow and porous is he? It's nautical nonsense. It's something you wish. Look like a fish. SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. There goes that guy with the cowboy hat on again. What is he doing? I'm just gonna use some of this coating essence stuff and get the fallout off of my lashes. Guys, can you actually believe that those are my real lashes without mascara on? This is just like a clear eyelash show. Alright, so that's the makeup done. Now I'm just gonna fix up my hair. I used new products in it yesterday to get it from being frizzy, and I must say it worked wonders. My hair is still not frizzy, or as frizzy as it usually is the day after I wash it, which is like incredible. Highly recommend. Alright you guys, this is the completed transformation. I must say, I actually feel like I had quite a transformation in this video compared to yesterday morning. Holy cow, different person. So yeah, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a like or comment below. And if you want to see more of me, subscribe if you want to and only if you want to. And comment below if you think that I had a big transformation or just a little transformation. Like, do I look that different? Or do you think it was like not that crazy? I personally think that it was quite a transformation. My confidence has boosted quite a lot from this, and I feel much better sitting at home in quarantine alone. But hey, at least I look more presentable. So once again, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye-bye.